Good evening, my friends. I hope all of you are having an awesome, fantastic day. We are here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and we're staying here at Dollywood's Dream More Resort. A very big thank you to Dollywood for having us out and hosting this stay. I want to give you guys a full room and resort tour. Now, the current time, 11:30 in the evening. I'm shooting this late because we actually check out in the morning and we're heading back home to Orlando, Florida. So I want to take this time to show you an empty resort. Let's not waste any time. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this. We are starting here at the front entrance of the resort. The parking lot right in front of us. Then we come this way. This is where you will enter the main lobby. At the time of filming, it is November 2020. We are heading into the Christmas season and we are still in the middle of a pandemic. With that being said, you can find all kinds of health and safety reminders all around the resort, especially here before you enter the main lobby. I really appreciate that this resort has so many rocking chairs all over the place and so many Christmas trees as we are heading in now. As soon as you walk in to your left, this is where you will check in, check out, or if you have any questions, and then look at this view right as you enter. So much Christmas, you gotta love it. We also have a lounge area. So much Dolly Parton all around, you gotta love it. You also can sign up for s'mores by the campfire pretty much every night, depending on weather. And then during the day, they will have hot apple cider right here. Man, this resort is beautiful. If you keep walking to your left, you come across a self-service kiosk where you can buy your park tickets, pick up your park tickets. Also, they have plenty of hand sanitizer all over the place. I just want to show you another angle of the main Christmas tree here in the main lobby as you walk down the stairs here. There's so many health and safety reminders all over the place, reminding people to wear masks and stay 6 feet apart. Look at this fireplace. You gotta love it. So cozy and homey. And then you have some TVs here in the main lobby. And check out this guitar. Dolly Parton's. How cool is that? And then if you continue walking to your left from the main lobby, you come across the ticket sales booth. Again, you can buy your tickets, pick up your tickets. You can purchase extra entertainment, such as the Peak Jeep tours, and a lot more, all right here. Again, at the time of this recording, we are still in the middle of a pandemic, but if you're heading to the park and if you're taking the trolley, this is where you will head and you will have your temperature scanned and they will give you a wristband, and then from here, you will head down and outside to the trolley that takes you to Dollywood. Now, we are heading to the right here in the main lobby. You can find plenty of dining tables in this direction, along with another TV and fireplace. Also over here, you have the pantry and a Starbucks. It's basically a quick service if you need food or snacks, drinks, and they also serve the famous cinnamon bread in here also. Right next to the pantry, you can find the main gift shop here inside Dream More. Of course, everything is closed because it's pretty late at the moment. Just taking a quick look inside the main gift shop here in the resort. Lots of Christmas going on in here. Lots of clothing that Miss Dolly herself would wear. Really cool stuff in here. Look at that coffee mug. Shot glasses. Look at this one. #1 fan. Look at this really cool photo frame. Rocking chair, $15. We did pick up this photo frame the other day to take home. Nice robe here. More Dollywood merchandise. Also have some Tennessee merch. I love all of the butterflies you can find all throughout this resort. I am now heading down the stairs here to show you the rest of the resort. At the bottom of the stairs, you can find the coolest thing, in my opinion, here at this resort. Dolly Parton herself has locked away a song that has not been released yet, and nobody knows anything about the song, because on her 100th birthday, on January the 19th, 2046, she will celebrate her 100th birthday, and then the song would be released. My place in history. Only Dolly knows its melody and content. How neat and cool is that? Also, at the bottom of the stairs here, you can find the main restaurant, Song and Hearth, Southern Eatery, down here as well. I am now outside, and you can find even more rocking chairs. This resort is so peaceful and relaxing. And then we can see the pool here right in front of me. Currently, it is pretty cold. It's the fall time, but every night the Christmas lights will come on, and they will do a light show with Christmas music. But the pool is open. I mean, if you want to get in the water, you can, but right now it's pretty cold outside, at least at nighttime. They also have a splash pad area for your little ones, but it is currently closed off, I believe because of COVID. And also you can find a playground for your little ones, but again, it is closed because of the pandemic currently going on. Also, I do want to point this out. Right on the other side of the playground, you can find these chairs here, but Dollywood is actually right here in this area. I know it's dark, but currently they are having Christmas fireworks, and you don't have to be in the park. You can actually come here to this resort. There's like lounge chairs over here also, and you can watch and see the fireworks right here. Oh, I love old red pickup trucks. It's nice to see one here. Another thing that I really love about this resort, they have fire pits all over the place for you and the family to come out and relax, especially right now because how cold it is here heading into the winter season. We actually did this last night, but usually every night, or at least on the weekends, they will have s'mores right here, and you do have to sign up in the main lobby if you guys remember that at the beginning of this video. But it's really cool. Last night we got to roast marshmallows and make s'mores. They were playing Christmas music. Another cozy fire pit going on right now with chairs. Once again, more fire pits going on. Fun fact, a very nice host told me when Dolly Parton is here at the resort, because she will come quite often, I've been told, you can actually see her bus parked right back here in this direction. So if you guys are staying here and see a big tour bus or RV, you know Dolly Parton is here. I'm back inside, and look at this photo of classic Dolly Parton. And then over here, you have all of her records she has ever put out right here on this wall. Pretty neat. They do have a ATM just in case you need to pull out cash. Whoa, check this out as we start walking. And then if we look back, Dollywood. I had to come back outside because I want to show you guys the indoor pool, but you can also find a game room, a fitness center, and Camp Dollywood, or Camp DW. So the indoor pool is closed because we are going on midnight, so it makes sense. But here's a quick look inside of the indoor pool. You don't see indoor pools quite often in Florida because how hot it is year round. But here, even in the Hilton we stayed in the first night, they had a indoor pool because you do have all seasons here. So if it's cold outside, you can still take a swim inside. I do want to point out, on every floor they do have Christmas trees. A very nice touch. And then you can see the main Christmas tree inside of the main lobby. And then one last look at the pool with the Christmas lights. Very calm and very relaxing. Even during the day, very quiet. Okay, let's head back upstairs. I want to show you guys our room that we are staying in. When you need to use an elevator to go back to your room, they want you to take a tissue here, go over here, press your button, and then you walk in. And you can find more tissue because they want you to pick one up and press your button, and then throw it away. Room number 505 on the 5th floor. And our room has been cleaned by Carly. Ooh, we are in. Holy smokes. This is very nice. First up, we have some hooks, and we are using it to hang our mask, but you can hang coats or purses, bags. Then we have our bathroom. There's us, hello. Makeup remover wipes. What's this, body lotion? Facial soap. The bathtub. Ooh, just like Disney, they have their own body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Ooh, nice. We have privacy. That's always a plus. Then heading back out, we have our closet area with all of our bags, storage, ironing board, iron, extra blankets, a bench. Then here we are in the bedroom. We have a really good looking king size bed. And then look at this, bunk beds. So if you have little ones with you, Bianca. Yes, she would. Those look very cozy. And then look at the lamps. Dream. Very nice headboard. And then over here we have your office desk with your phone. The Dream More logo here. Coffee maker. Plenty of USBs and a HDMI connection for the TV, it looks like. I would say 40-inch TV, very nice. Then down here, you have your ice bucket cups, safe, storage, That's a nice safe. Then over here, you have your refrigerator. Pretty good size. More storage. That's about it. I like that guitar painting. And then here's a look outside our window. Look at this view. It is beautiful. Also, when we checked in, we were given a goodie bag. Let's see what's inside. Do you mind, Bianca? These look so good. I'm noticing all kinds of hidden details around the hotel room, such as this butterfly on the mirror and another one right up there, even on the toilet paper.
So we just noticed that I've never seen this in hotels, but a rubber bath mat. I think that's really cool because you won't slip in a tub. So really nice feature.
All right, that's gonna do it here from Dollywood's Dream More Resort. I hope you guys enjoyed this full room and resort tour, and I hope if you guys are planning on traveling here for a vacation that I helped you out and you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. It really does help out the channel in so many different ways. And if you're new here, please subscribe, because we do this quite often, and make sure you have those notifications turned on and set to always. That way you'll always be notified when I release a new video or even go live. I love you guys. Please remember, it's nice to be nice in YouTube. I'll see you in the next video. Prince Charming, out.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside.